South Africa is registered in America as a private company. Okay?
What?
Yes. It's not a country, it's a business. You can Google now on New York Stock Exchange. South Africa is registered there as a private company, which has directors and shareholders, not the South Africans. And I'm sorry, many South Africans will hear this and be shocked to their boots. But it's a fact. It's a fact, and it can no longer be hidden anymore, that the Reserve Bank is in private hands, the government is in private hands, land is in private hands, businesses are in private hands. The common South African now thinks that a fellow Zimbabwean or Mozambican is an enemy. They have not gone to school. They don't understand the scope and the nature of the monster which they are dealing with. So yes, South Africa must go and negotiate with Russia, because their stock exchange on New York will be affected if they don't play the American song and they start talking the Russian song. It makes common sense. And ultimately, South Africa has got more relationships, economic relationships of the owners of South Africa is more with the Americans. Yes, they're doing business with Russians, but the Americans have an upper hand in terms of dictating and directly influencing the politics of South Africa. We have McDonald's, we have Coca-Cola, we have Pepsi, we have a huge American embassy in South Africa, we have businesses that are running from New York into Johannesburg and etc. America is well entrenched economically into the South African space, including the supply of pharmaceuticals and other things.